So we're at a job site in Wheaton, and this is actually for a really good friend of mine. He's actually one of my old football coaches, and we are getting water that's backing up from the sump pump area over here, which is a huge problem because they're getting water in their basement. And I believe something that is contributing to it quite a bit is this downspout right here is a direct connect. They've got some mature trees on the property. There's no filter under here. So leaves have gotten into the system, causing it to back up and then exposing all these joints. So water is actually backing up and getting into the basement. So putting in a catch basin underneath the downspouts is a huge, huge must. So something that we're gonna do today is we're gonna rip all this out, and then we're gonna pack clay against the foundation. That's a really important part too, because that's gonna help secure the foundation and make sure water's not getting into there. But we're gonna do that all through here, put the catch basin in through there, and then we're gonna run a new line all the way through here just to be safe. He's a good friend of mine, and I don't wanna see them have any problems, but we're starting to dig out right now. The guys are doing a great job. This is what they have right now. Doing great. This is a direct connect here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the catch basin under there too, and then you can see the existing lines going into that, but we're gonna run an all new line all through here. And the same with this downspout right here. We're gonna put a catch basin right underneath there. You can see they've got some real big trees here. And then run the new line. The guys are doing a great job working through here right now. We're gonna run a new line all the way down to there. We're also gonna run a new line right here and put the catch basin under there as well. And then it's gonna come, and then we're gonna connect. There's a real good pipe from here into the storm sewer, so we're gonna connect into that so we don't have to pull a permit and redo that. But you can see that it's draining right into there, which is great. But excited to update this, and yeah, especially to do it for a good friend of ours.